Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your premier destination for career and lifestyle insights. Today, we're delving into an exciting topic, the 10 highest paying careers you can get. As we navigate through this intriguing journey, we'll explore various fields, revealing not only the potential earnings, but also the skills and qualifications required to break into these lucrative professions. We'll start from the 10th highest paying career, gradually making our way to the pinnacle, the #1 highest paying career. Each profession has its unique allure, challenges, and rewards. So whether you're at the start of your career journey, considering a career change, or simply love to learn, there's something valuable for everyone in this video. We invite you to stay tuned, absorb the insights, and perhaps ignite a spark for a new professional path. So let's get started, shall we? Kickstart your career journey with us and discover your potential. Starting our countdown at number 10, psychiatrists. This profession is all about the human mind. Psychiatrists are medical doctors who specialize in mental health, including substance use disorders. Their role is to diagnose, treat, and prevent mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders. Their toolkit includes a mix of psychological, physical, and psychiatric techniques, which they blend to support their patients' well-being. To become a psychiatrist, you'll need to complete a bachelor's degree, followed by 4 years of medical school and a 4-year psychiatric residency. That's a total of 12 years of higher education, but the payoff is worth it. On average, these mental health professionals earn an annual salary of around $220,000. Psychiatry is a career that offers not just a handsome paycheck, but also the profound satisfaction of improving people's lives. It's a rewarding career for those with a passion for mental health. Making its mark at number 9, orthodontists. Now, these aren't your everyday dentists. Orthodontists are specialists in perfecting your smile. They're the maestros behind those braces, aligners, and retainers that help straighten teeth and correct jaw alignment. To become an orthodontist, one must first complete a bachelor's degree, followed by 4 years of dental school, and then an additional 2 to 3 years of specialized orthodontic residency training. It's a long journey, but the reward is worth it. In the United States, orthodontists earn an average of over $200,000 a year. That's a lot of green for making the world beam. But it's not just about the money. Orthodontists also get the satisfaction of knowing they're helping people feel more confident and happy with their smiles. So, if you've got a passion for health, a keen eye for detail, and a desire to make a difference, this could be the perfect career path for you, creating smiles everywhere and earning a handsome paycheck in the process. Coming in hot at number 8, prosthodontists. Now you may ask, what on earth is a prosthodontist? Well, these are the wizards of the dental world, specializing in the replacement and restoration of teeth. They're the ones who create those flawless Hollywood smiles with implants, bridges, dentures, and veneers. This career is not just about crafting perfect smiles, though. It's about improving the overall oral health of patients and boosting their confidence. After all, a great smile can be a real game changer, can't it? To become a prosthodontist, you'll need to complete a 4-year dental program followed by 3 years of specialized training. Yes, it's a journey, but one that's worth every step. On average, a prosthodontist in the United States can earn a handsome salary of over $200,000 a year. So, there you have it. Prosthodontists, the artists of the dental industry, a profession that truly puts a smile on your face. Landing at number 7, physicians. As we continue our journey through the highest paying careers, we turn our attention to the world of medicine. Physicians, the heroes in white coats, hold a significant spot on our list. This isn't surprising, considering the years of rigorous education and training they must undergo, not to mention the immense responsibility they shoulder. From general practitioners to specialists, physicians diagnose ailments, prescribe treatments, and guide us towards better health. They work in a variety of settings, from bustling hospitals to quiet private practices, and their work is as diverse as it is challenging. But the rewards are worth it. Physicians garner respect and admiration, and their compensation reflects the value society places on their skills. The average annual salary of a physician in the United States is well into the 6-figure range. A career in healing and helping, with an attractive salary to match. Now, that's a career path to consider. Stepping up at number 6, oral and maxillofacial surgeons. These are the brave souls who tackle the complex world of the mouth, jaws, face, and skull. Their work goes beyond the everyday dental checkup. venturing into the realm of surgical interventions that can drastically improve a person's quality of life. To be an oral and maxillofacial surgeon, one must first complete a dental degree, followed by a 4 to 6 year surgical residency. It's a long journey, but the rewards are substantial. The median salary for this profession is well into the 6 figures, with top earners bringing home even more. This career is not just about the money, though. The satisfaction of helping patients lead healthier, happier lives is a reward in itself. From reconstructive surgery after accidents to treating diseases that affect the mouth and face, these surgeons truly make a difference. A career that's more than just pulling teeth. Breaking into the top 5 obstetricians and gynecologists. Often referred to as the architects of life, these medical professionals hold a crucial role in society. They specialize in women's reproductive health and childbirth, nurturing life from its earliest stages to birth. Their responsibilities are vast and critical. From routine checkups, prenatal care, to the delivery of newborns, they guide us through one of the most delicate and beautiful journeys of life. While the role is demanding, the rewards are immense. The joy of bringing a new life into the world is an experience that is unparalleled. Obstetricians and gynecologists also earn a substantial income, reflecting the skill and dedication required for this field. With an average yearly salary of around $230,000, it's no wonder this career has made it into our top 5. So, for those who have a passion for healthcare and a love for life's miracles, the career of an obstetrician and gynecologist may be the perfect fit. A rewarding career in the miracle of life. At number 4, surgeons. The world of medicine is vast and varied, but there's no denying the critical role that surgeons play in saving lives and improving the health of patients. These medical professionals bear a great deal of responsibility, and with that responsibility comes a hefty paycheck. The median salary for a surgeon is a whopping $209,000 per year. This salary, however, is earned through years of rigorous training and education. To become a surgeon, one must first complete a bachelor's degree, followed by 4 years of medical school. After that, a residency program which typically lasts between 5 to 7 years is required. This is no easy feat. It takes dedication, hard work, and a genuine passion for helping others. Despite the long hours and intense pressure, many surgeons find their work incredibly rewarding. They have the ability to dramatically change and often save lives on a daily basis. A career that truly makes a difference and pays well for it. On the podium at number 3, anesthesiologists. Now, if you're not familiar with this term, let me break it down for you. Anesthesiologists are the superheroes of the surgical world. They're the ones who ensure that patients are in a pain-free state during surgical procedures. Sounds simple, right? Oh, but it's anything but. The complexity of their work is reflected in their paycheck, and rightly so. This career path requires a significant investment of time and effort. After obtaining a bachelor's degree, aspiring anesthesiologists must complete 4 years of medical school, followed by a 4-year anesthesiology residency program. That's 12 years of intense study and hands-on training. But the reward? An average annual salary that's comfortably into the 6 figures. In fact, it's not uncommon for an experienced anesthesiologist to earn well over $500,000 each year. A critical role in the medical field, and one that's rewarded handsomely. Almost at the top, at number 2, corporate lawyers. Yes, the legal eagles who navigate the intricate labyrinth of corporate law. These professionals are the unseen guardians of businesses, big and small. They are the ones who ensure that everything a company does is above board and in line with the myriad of regulations that govern the business world. With the skill to interpret and apply complex laws, corporate lawyers play a vital role in the business world. They are the ones who draft contracts, handle mergers and acquisitions, and manage all the legal aspects that come with running a business. They are the masters of negotiation and the defenders of corporate integrity. But the path to becoming a corporate lawyer is no cakewalk. It requires years of intense study, a law degree, and passing the bar exam. However, the rewards are well worth the effort. Corporate lawyers command a hefty salary, making this profession one of the highest-paying careers out there. A high-stakes career with the paycheck to match. And finally, the highest-paying career you can get, neurosurgeons. These medical professionals specialize in the diagnosis and surgical treatment of disorders of the nervous system. This includes the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. The journey to becoming a neurosurgeon is not an easy one. It requires a minimum of 14 years of rigorous training after high school. This includes 4 years of undergraduate studies, 4 years of medical school, and a 6-year residency. But the effort is well worth it. Neurosurgeons are among the highest paid professionals in any field. In the United States, the median annual salary for a neurosurgeon is over $1 million, and the top earners can make several times that amount. So there you have it, a career that combines intellectual challenge, cutting-edge technology, and the opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives. A career at the peak of medical science and at the peak of earnings. And there you have it, the 10 highest paying careers you can get. We've journeyed from the intricacies of software development to the intense world of neurosurgery. We've explored the legal labyrinth of corporate law and delved into the vast expanse of petroleum engineering. We've seen the world from the perspective of a psychiatrist and even from the commanding heights of a chief executive officer. Yet, as we've seen, the highest paying career is not necessarily the best career for everyone. It's essential to consider your interests, passions, and natural abilities when choosing a career. The perfect job for you is one that you'll love doing every day, not just because it pays well, but because it's a true reflection of you. Thanks for joining us at House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more career insights and lifestyle tips. Until next time, keep exploring your potential.